Welcome back, my friends. This is Melanie with Melanie Smith Stamps. This is the Spellbinders Club reveal, and I'm excited to be back with these tropical blooms for the month of June. Now, I am a lover of Hawaii. My mom and I traveled Hawaii numerous times. My husband went for our 10th wedding anniversary and back again about 5 years ago. We've traveled numerous islands. I still need to get him back to one of them, and I just am in love with this club kit. So if you love travel, if you love sun, if you love anything tropical, this month is for you. So let's dive in. The large die of the month is called Tropical Blooms. Now, this is definitely a large die of the month. And look, you can tell I've been using it. So this here, let me show you the picture that they have given us. This here is very tropical. We have all of the traditional flowers like the plumeria and the hibiscus and a lot of other blooms in here. Lots of the fancy tropical leaves, as well as the word aloha. Now let me show you what we've done here. This is our card sample for this club. I have not used everything in the die set, as you can see here, but I've made it my own design with a little here, because I wanted to bring in the 2D embossing folder of the month, which is the beautiful pineapples here, which you'll see in a moment, and just have a bright tropical flair to it. I think turquoise, yellows, greens, all of that, the hot pink especially, and I just love some holographic paper. So I added the little gems to bring extra sparkle, and that is the large die of the month. So again, that is called your Tropical Blooms, and I just am in love. I love the aloha word especially, but all the foliage, all the flowers, so many possibilities. So for the small die of the month, this is extra special as well. Here is this little guy. Mahalo, my friends, is the sentiment from the Stampin' Die of the month that I've added here. And this brings back memories as well, because one of my trips with my mother, we actually went to a black sand beach on the Big Island, and we saw the sea turtles bathing on the black sand beach, and we were like this close to them. We sat and watched them bathing and moving around, and it was just magical. So seeing them in the wild, not from an actual, you know, reservation or location in public. It was actually them walking up onto the beach and bathing there on their own. Was just an unbelievable experience. So the sea turtle is definitely a friend of mine. My husband and I also went to a place where we got to actually hold baby sea turtles down in the Cayman Islands, and that was really magical too. So this is the small die of the month. And here is a very similar example, but they have done it into a shaker card, added the sentiment that actually comes in the die set, and then I've used an actual embossing folder from a previous club here as my background, along with an ombre pattern paper that I thought would be really cute for the water in the background. So you can use this die here as the actual die cut, or you can make it like this and create an actual shaker card. And it gives you all of the step-by-step instructions here on the back, as well as the instructions on how to build your sea turtle and your sentiment as well. The sentiment itself says mahalo. So that is your small die of the month. Then we have the stitching of the month. I'm going to show it to you first here in the package. It's right here. Check this out. You've got the bongo, you've got the ukulele, you've got some more plumeria, and a different type of tropical leaf. So lots more that can mix and match in your collection of tropical items. And now I'm bringing out the freebie of the month in mine, along with the 3D embossing folder. So keep an eye out for that. This is the sample of the 3D as well. Check it out. The little penguin is your freebie of the month. When you get the All Clubs crate, you will get him right there. And then I've stitched the bongo drum. And you also can stitch your leaves as well inside there. So that is my sample, and I just love the way this guy turned out. The tiki torch is actually from a different die set, and I will point that out. But here are all your dies for size reference for the stitching. You also have flowers that you could actually layer up. The ukulele is precious. The sizing of it, it's like almost your finger. It's really, really super cute. Love the stitched leaf here. You can see the insert for that there. All of these are just gorgeous. And I love, you have the kaleidoscope here going on. As you can see right here, you've got these layers of kaleidoscope. It's hard to tell with mine because I've used dark colors, but you have that 3-layer kaleidoscope, and you could get tropical colors in there if you wanted to. Great, great set. Stitching of the month. It's called Luau Beats. So that is your stitching. Here is your 2D embossing, like I showed you earlier, the pineapples. Remember, these are 6x8 embossing folders, so you can do a lot with them. That one is called Pineapple Pop. Then you have this one that's right here, your 3D embossing folder. This one is called Island Style. I love me some tiki torches. And that is that one right there. And that one actually, I did a inking technique with, where I ink the inside of the embossing folder to get that two-tone look. Turned out really cute. Then this is your stamp and die of the month. It also comes with the sand and a pole, so you can make a sign out of these. Let me see. I do have an example of that right here. So that's really neat that it's not just your sentiments, but it also can make this additional embellishment die to go along with all of your tropical items. This set here is called This Way to Rainbows, and here are all your sentiments. Huluing, it's a kind of a tongue twister. Over to say hello. Paradise is better shared. A little escape in an envelope. I love that. Aloha, sunshine. Mahalo, my friend. Beach, relax, sunset, luau, and sunshine for your sign. Paradise, rainbows, and cocktails can also go on your sign. Dance into your best year. Slow down and soak it in. Hope you'll find your rainbows, and sending you a splash of happy. Now you're going to see these spread out through all my samples because I use these quite a bit. They are a winner in my book. So over here, I have the Better Press and the stencil of the month. Now I went hog wild with this Better Press Hibiscus Bloom. This is the press and foil, remember. You do get a hot foil roll this month. The one I received was matte gold. That does not mean you will receive that same one, but that is the one I received this month. So with this, I created 3 different cards. You do get this full-size A2 press plate. You get the side die cut. Then you get this gorgeous sentiment. So I've done 3 different cards here with this. I did your basic classic glimmer. Now this is just on white card, and I glimmered the sentiment at the same time, so it's a 1-layer card. Then I reversed it with the waist onto a ombre piece of paper. So this is just a piece of kind of a really sheen pattern paper that had an ombre in it in the color that I wanted my flowers. And I thought that turned out really nice for a different change. It had kind of those corals and yellows in it, which you can kind of see the yellows in the Aloha. It's kind of hard to tell with the shine, but there's a little peach and then there's the little yellow here. But the overall, see if I can tilt that. There you go. There you can see how that sentiment turned out. The Aloha full bloom in full bloom, but look at those colors that came through the waist area that was removed when I foiled this one. All those areas that had been removed are now colored by the paper underneath. So that was using the Pink Fresh Studios reverse plate and doing a reverse of the waist. Really, really pretty. And then last but not least, this was hot foiled on LDRS Creative watercolor paper. I love their paper because I can, first of all, we can get a discount on it with using Melanie15 as the code. You can get a 15% discount on it, but also you can hot foil on it perfectly every single time. And the foiling is gorgeous. And that's because of the smooth of the watercolor paper. It's still cold press instead of hot press. It's still cold press, but it doesn't have the tooth. And it's also stark white, which is very uncommon for watercolor paper. So this is probably my top pick for watercolor paper right now. And I love how it reacts to the watercolors. These were actually pans that I used here, and it just turned out beautiful in the watercoloring. So I used a wet on wet technique for these, and I just love the way it turned out. I used the glitter card on the back and popped it up with foam tape to give it a nice feel and dimension. And this is probably one of my favorite cards this month. It was really fun and relaxing to create. Okay, another favorite of the month. Well, this one is a favorite, but the other freebie of the month is right here. And this is Aloha Hula. This girl is precious, okay? This is where our tiki torch came from. So I used it here with this guy. And remember, this was a mix of love. This is the stitching. This is the stamp and die for the sentiment. This is the small freebie of the month. This comes from the larger freebie of the month, and then we have the 3D embossing folder. So this was a mix of everything. But then this one, Aloha Hula, is your full size die of the month that is free with your all club crate. Now, if you're new to Spellbinders Club Kits of the month, the all club crate comes with everything I've shown you here today. It is 10 items plus your foil, everything you've seen, and it's over 50% discount from buying them individually. Plus, you get these free, you get free paper, you get a free shipping coupon, and you get a 15% discount off the website for the month. So it is a steal of a deal. And I believe it's $130 plus free shipping. So these are exclusive items, these two. And just wait, let me show you the card design for this little girl. Check this out. She's my hula girl. Is she not precious? She is adorable. And a girlfriend of mine and I created some of these cards together over at my house this month. And it was so much fun to get together with her once. She's been helping me because of my shoulder. And she actually brought me this piece of cardstock for us to work with to pull these colors together that she had in her stash. And I just love the way this turned out. We put it up on a wobbler and we added one of the sentiments, and the colors and the richness of this was just over the top beautiful. I just love how it came out. These two guys were just, these are my favorites. These three are my favorites of the month. And let me clear this and show you all of them. And you let me know, seeing all of them, which one is your favorite of the month? Because I would love to hear your input. All right, so we have Hula Girl. We have Hula Penguin. Whoop, let me bring them down. Hula Girl, Hula Penguin. We have Watercolor. We have Foil. and reverse foil. We have Aloha, and we have our sea turtle. So these are all the cards of the month that I've created with my friend. Thank you, Nancy. And I'm just so excited to bring them to you this month. And it's just been a joy. So I hope you've enjoyed this. Thank you guys for being so patient with me last month. My surgery is scheduled for the 15th of this month. So 15 days, guys, 15 days. And I'll be having my shoulder surgery. We do plan to have a July 1st video, God willing. Nancy will be helping me with the die cutting and stuff on that, along with the gluing and designing and all of that. So we will be continuing to work together. And another friend of mine is helping me with my hero cards for club content. And she is working with me, you know, in collaboration on that as well. So you will see those cards coming up here in social media really, really soon. So thank you, my friends, for being amazing support, both here at home and in the craft room and online. You guys are amazing. I love all of you. And I will see you guys in the next crafty video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and any of those links down below sure do help when you click on them. Thank you so much, my friends. Bye-bye for now.